Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check if TikTok account is monetized or not. So for this, open the TikTok app. So when it's open, go in the right below profile icon on the right. So when profile icon it's open, click to the top right corner of three lines, and from here TikTok Studio, tap to TikTok Studio. So you will see the second option is monetization. So you will just click to subscription button of monetization. So from the there you will see you are monetized or not. So click to subscriptions of monetization. So subscriptions no longer available. Live subscription is no longer available in your region due to lack of payment solutions. Your access to live subscription therefore revoked. So I will not be able to monetization. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.